What are some common business mistakes as new entrepreneurs make in the creative field?
First is you need to get paid up front. A lot of designers do work and don't collect any money.
Right.
And there's a lot of people out in the world that want your creative services, want you to design a logo, build you something, but you need to get paid first. That's how you know the job is real, because otherwise it's just all talk. And I think as creative people, we get really flattered when people show interest in us and they want to talk to us about a commercial or some kind of branding film, and then you get really excited.
Right.
So let's contain the excitement and turn it into something that's very real. So what I would do is put together a proposal or talk about a budget and get that 50% up front. That's when you know it's real. Sales is everything, sales and marketing. With robust sales and big budget projects, you can fund any kind of company and you can run it the way you want. Without those sales, without the cash flow that's coming in, you're going to start to suffer severely. Okay? The other thing I want to talk about is there's two ways to make money. There's one way to make money, which is to bid high and produce it, to build yourself a cushion of profit. The other way to make money is to spend less money to produce the project. And so you kind of have to think about that. Sometimes people focus all on getting higher revenue, grossing revenue, and they're not thinking about how to spend that money. So if you get $1 million job, but you spend $999,000, it's really a $1 job. And so we get caught up in the idea that it's $1 million job, when really it's $1 job. Conversely, you could do a $100,000 job and only spend $50 and have a gross profit of $50,000. Now, if you ask somebody, would you rather get the $1 million job or would you take the $100,000 job? Most people don't think about it and they say, I want the $1 million job. It's really at the end of the day what you're able to keep after all expenses are paid, including paying yourself and your partner and seeing what else there is in the profit margin.